How to stop doom scrolling and reset your brain in 5 minutes. Ever noticed how you pick up your phone for 5 minutes and 45 minutes disappear? One reel becomes 10, one video becomes an endless feed, and instead of feeling relaxed, you feel more anxious, more tired, more wired, even though you weren't doing anything stressful. That's not unwinding. That's your brain getting stuck in beta mode. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to break away from that loop. In my previous video, I explained all the brainwave states: alpha, beta, gamma, theta, delta. I suggest you watch that video right after this one. But in this video, we're zoning in on one problem: how to stop doom scrolling and avoid the beta brainwave overload. Here's a quick refresher. Beta is the brainwave state of alert analytical thinking. It's the fast frequency range of 13 to 30 Hz. This is the state you use most often in the day. Beta is great for working, planning, logical thinking, having conversations. Beta is your friend. It's how you function in the real world. Brainwaves just earned an idea. They were first measured 100 years ago by Hans Berger, a German scientist, using EEG, electroencephalography, in the 1920s. So they aren't just spiritual concepts, you can actually measure these brain activities. But coming back to beta, which is the problem. Too much beta can push you into anxiety, overthinking, burnout, restlessness, this feeling of, oh my god, I just can't switch off. And doom scrolling keeps you stuck in fragmented beta mode. Scrolling tricks you into thinking that you're relaxing, you're getting entertained, you're laughing, you're smiling. Wrong. You're actually getting wired. But neurologically speaking, you are constantly switching attention, reacting to new stimuli, staying in low-grade alert mode, processing new information. So instead of going into the alpha calm zone and then eventually drifting into theta and deep delta, you get stuck in fragmented beta mode. That's why you end up feeling not relaxed. But here's a quick note. Not all beta is the same. There's focused beta, which actually helps you at work. It's when you're locked in and doing one task. And then there's scattered beta, when you're jumping from app to app, notification to notification, when you're multitasking. You're doing too many things, but your brain's not focused. Think of it like this. Focused beta is one tab open, working deeply. Scattered beta is 15 tabs open and your brain's overheating. And doom scrolling keeps you in this fragmented beta zone, where your mind's very active, but it's not focused. Before we go any further, let me quickly introduce myself. Hi, I'm Gitika, and on this channel, I break down mindset backed by neuroscience and some spiritual content, so it can help you level up in life, relationships, and careers. If this is the kind of content that you like, working and understanding your brain instead of fighting it, I suggest you hit subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram for more frequent updates on how you can work with your mind. Coming back to how to break the doom scroll loop. Now that you understand the beta brain fry mode, let's understand how you can break it and reset your brain in 5 minutes. Here are some simple, realistic ways on how to exit beta and stop the scrolling spiral. 1. The 60-second pattern interrupt. Put your phone down, stand up, roll back your shoulders, take 10 deep breaths. This switches you from beta to alpha. 2. The 2-minute mind-body reset. This is perfect for when you want to get back to work. 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of rigorously shaking out your arms, and 1 minute of deep breath. This pulls you from fragmented beta into focused beta. For some, it can even switch you into gamma. All good. 3. Try the visual reset. Look out the window, focus on something far away, and soften your gaze. Scrolling is a near-range, high-attention activity. Distance vision calms the brain. 4. Replace, don't resist. Don't say, I'll stop scrolling. Say, I'll replace scrolling with a 5-minute walk, writing one paragraph, calling a friend and having a conversation. Replacement always beats willpower. And here's the fifth 5-minute night reset to stop scrolling before bed. Because at night, you don't want to move from fragmented beta to focused beta or gamma. You want to move from beta to alpha to theta and then to delta. Here's a simple routine that works. Step 1, 30 seconds. Put the phone away, dim the lights, sit or lie down comfortably. Step 2, the long exhale. Do this for 2 minutes. Inhale for 4 seconds and breathe out for 6-7 seconds. Relax your jaws and relax your shoulders. This will switch you from beta into a calm alpha mode. Step 3, the body calm down. Do this for 1 minute. Gentle movements, stretching, nothing with high energy. We're just trying to relax. Step 4, this is your theta bridge. Get back in bed, lie down comfortably, close your eyes and visualize something calming. Repeat a simple phrase softly in your mind. Listen to a guided relaxation. This routine is designed to help you calm down and not get you hyped up. Use the body activation methods we spoke of earlier during the day and use this in the night for real recovery and reset. I have 3 simple rules to avoid the doom scroll trap. 1. Never scroll when tired. A tired brain is automatic beta trap. 2. Set a timer limit on your app so you know when to switch off. 3. Use a transition ritual. Calm down, get in alpha mode before you pick up the phone. Breathe once deeply before you do it. Never use scrolling as a relaxation strategy. It just doesn't work. So the next time you feel that zombie scroll mode kicking in, just remind yourself you're not actually going to unwind. You're about to get stuck in the beta trap. If content like this interests you, subscribe. And I do recommend you watch the masterclass on brainwave states to learn how to focus, how to sleep better, how to use all the different states to perform better in life. And I'm curious, tell me what's your doom scroll trigger? When do you do it most? Does it happen during the day or at night? Tell me in comments.